How to order foreign currencies from Chase Bank. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to order foreign currencies from Chase Bank. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to be aware that Chase Bank doesn't offer foreign currency accounts due to legal and operational reasons. This is partly because maintaining inventory and managing exchange rates can be complex and not cost effective. Additionally, demand for such services may be low and currency exchange comes with risks like rate fluctuations and counterfeiting concerns. But the alternative way you can do is simply you can visit a local branch. You can exchange currency as a Chase Bank branch, but you should call your local branch to learn about transaction fees. Also, you can use Trace Connects. So, Trace Connect allows you to request real time FX rates, send wires in local currency, schedule one time recurring or future dated wires, use the Chase Global Transfer Calculator to see USD and local currency amounts. Also, you can use the Chase mobile app to wire funds on the go. So, these are the some alternative way to order foreign currencies at Chase Bank. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.